Hi guys! Kumusta po kayo? Good morning Philippines! At kumusta sa aking mga followers and subscribers? Thank you so much! Halika kayo't gagawa tayo ng carrot juice. Good for colon cancer. Para yung ating mga natatanggal sa ating mga intestine. Tayo na't gumawa ng juice. Meron tayong carrots dito. Babalatan natin yung carrots. Mga 4 na carrots. Babalatan natin. Okay? Ito ay maganda sa antioxidant pa. Para sa good for colon cancer. Sa mga bituka, intestine yan. Sa mga gallbladder. Maganda din to. Gagawa tayo ng juice. Okay? Lalagyan natin ng luya. Hugasan muna natin yung ginger. We put some ginger. This is so good. We remove the skin. This the way you remove the skin, no? Very easy. Ayan o. Ay, de-demo ko. Demonstration. Ayan. De-demo natin. Remove the skin of the ginger. And then wash it again. And then we cut a little, very small chunk. We cut very small chunk of this ginger and we add some here, carrots and ginger. And we add some butter. We add butter, water. And then we blend that. Then this is it. We try to taste it. This is it, oh. So yummy. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.